So like when there's something like chaotic going on in the background, meditation really helps you in those experiences by being like the center of the storm. What's up? This is David, and today I want to talk to you about meditation and some misconceptions around the idea of meditation. So let's take a look at what a normal person does with meditation. A normal person will probably, download an app and then put in some headphones and meditate in their living room for 20 minutes, right? And then they do their meditation session and then they go about their day, and that's that. But the point of meditation is actually to use it, to apply it in real life, right? And one of the main points of meditation is to help you to become more aware, more conscious. And so if we leave like our meditation session at home in those 20 minutes, what's kind of like the equivalent of practicing a basketball shot, a free throw shot, and not using it in the real game. Okay, so that's what most people are doing though. The reason why we're doing these meditation sessions, they're like practice sessions for real life. So you want to be able to apply the things that you are getting from meditation at home into real life, okay? And one of the big benefits of meditation is helps you to become more conscious. So humans are stimulus response creatures, right? We have a certain stimulus coming our way and we respond automatically. But what meditation helps you to do is to create a space between stimulus and response. Meaning that when you have like a certain stimulus and that you want to automatically react to the stimulus, instead of doing that, what meditation helps you do is stop the pattern, interrupt the pattern, and then create like a different response, right? A different habit or a different behavior. So it helps you to become more conscious of your thoughts, your behaviors, and your bad habits, right? So we want to be able to apply that in real life. Another big benefit of meditation in real life is being able to focus, right? Being able to stay attentive. But if we're just leaving our meditation practice in the room, we're not really using that in real life, right? So one of the big benefits of my life of meditation that it has on me is being able to focus like on the video that I'm shooting right now, and the message that I'm shooting right now, right? Because there are many distractions going on in the environment. There's like people going around, there's like noise everywhere. But I'm just like here in the present moment, here in the now, just speaking to you, right? And not being wavered by this other distractions that are going on. So that's really helpful in a real life experience. So like when there's something like chaotic going on in the background, meditation really helps you in those experiences by being like the center of the storm, like the eye of the hurricane, right? Like it could be a very chaotic environment, but you're just really calm and you're just there and you're just chill. You're relaxed. You have this sense of confidence, the sense of knowing. So that's another big benefit of meditation. It really helps you to become calm and centered and focused. But again, you want to be using the things that you are learning in those 20-minute sessions in your room and apply that to real life, because that's where the real value of meditation comes in. So that is it for this video. Hope you found value out of this one. I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.